How to fix secure kernel error BSOD in Windows 11.24h2. Hello friends, you might be facing this blue screen error after installing KB505523 April security update or KB5053656 March preview cumulative update. Follow the steps to fix it. The first step is apply non-issue rollback. Microsoft has rolled out a KIR file, means non-issue rollback file, to fix this BSOD. We have given the link to this file in the video description. Go to the video description and click on the link. A .msu file will be downloaded in your default browser. Click on the downloaded file. Click on next. Select yes on the user account control pop-up. Click on finish. Then restart your computer. To apply the rollback. If the issue still persists, you can run system files checker. Click on search, type cmd. Right click on command prompt. Select run as administrator. Click on yes. Go to the video description and copy this command. Paste into the command prompt. Press enter. Then copy the dism restore health command. Paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Close the command prompt, close the other running task, and restart your computer. The issue will be fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.